Hello crafty cuties, welcome back to Paper Terrace. If you're new, I'm Jessica. We are going to unbox this subscription box from Your Creative Studio, and I always try to do a little layout or swatching some of the products in this journal here, so we'll do that at the end. I haven't had a chance to peek in here, so I'm pretty excited to see what's in here. This is kind of like a junk journal subscription box, and you can sign up for like I think 1, 2, or 3 months. There's different options. I'll have the link below, but I have been receiving these boxes for maybe a couple years now, and I love all of the things that I receive in them. A lot of times the business card, not a lot of time, always, the business card has a little peek into what kind of theme it is. So this looks like kind of like a bee floral theme, which should be really cute. You always get really good products in here and things that you can add to your stash that you can actually use like over and over. So that's kind of my favorite part of these boxes. You get things like, washi tape and stamps. So again, things you can use for more than once. So it looks like we got some stamps and washi tapes. I'll go ahead and open those up first. Everything is just always packaged so nicely too. But I have like a whole stash now of stamps, and I just love that you can, reuse those items all over and over. So it looks like a little sunflower with a bee. Super cute. Oh my animals are fighting. They have been all morning. I've been trying to separate them and hold off for filming, but I was like, just whatever. Okay, so this has 3 little stamps, and let's see. You get 2 little honey jars and then a set of bees. And these are really good quality stamps as well. The washi tape, it's one of my favorite washi tapes. I'm always curious like what company makes this washi tape, just because it's such good quality. It sticks really well, but just something about it feels really luxurious. It's really like silky soft, but it sticks well, which it's hard to find good washi tapes that stick well. I want to pull this up so we can see the design on it. So cute little bee, floral scene kind of thing. Cute. All right, lots of fun little goodies in here. Okay, so this says, sometimes you have to take the things out to see what it is. Might just be like little papers. Let's see. Or, oh, maybe it's a little notepad. Yeah, I think it's a little notepad, but with tons of little floral papers. I love using papers like these for collaging. Oh, awesome. And I always love when there's like vellum paper, so there's different textures and things. Yeah, collaging, making little embellishments, because I always prefer to use like florals, so that's really cute. Let's see. I think this is kind of the same thing. You get lots of these types of things, like little notepads and vintage looking like papers. I do have a pretty big stash of these things, but I do go through them pretty quick. So for me, I really enjoy receiving them all the time. These are probably it's a little booklet of like stickers, I think. These are usually like stickers, let's see. Or sometimes they are just papers, but oh, cute. So again, these are cute for adding on top of embellishments, or I don't know. I use these in my videos all the time. And then, yeah, I love, again, when you get like little vellum papers as well. Different textures and really cute little images in here. I see mushrooms and love that. And this is a nice, really big little booklet. And they're so cute too. It's just like a little mini book. Okay, I think this might be label stickers. I'm gonna have to cut this open. Let's see here. Oops. Yeah, it's a little box of different label stickers. I feel like most people use little label stickers in their layouts and junk journals. I'll just take these out so we can get a closer look. Yep, just a variety of different labels. Little butterflies on them. These are perfect for little embellishments also. And then they have their own little cute box to store them if you want. I'll probably end up adding these into my like actual collection. Looks like some really pretty gold clear stickers. Gold, what am I trying to say? Yeah, like with gold accents. That's what I'm going for. Okay. Yeah, I think. Okay, wait. Are these stickers or sometimes they're like rub-ons? Let me see. Does it say? Sometimes the packaging doesn't exactly say what it is. They're super pretty. But I can't tell if... I don't think it's a rub-on. It might be though. Sometimes these type of stickers are really hard to get off. I think it might be a rub-on actually. Oh, here we go. Yeah, we'll have to maybe try one of these out. Or maybe it's a little cut apart sticker. I can't really quite tell, but they're so pretty. I'm excited to use those. Ooh. And I love receiving things like these. So you get lots of charms. This is like a little bookmark for a journal, a bullet journal. I'll show you what this would look like in my little mini journal here. You get lots of like charms and just things that I haven't seen in other like subscription boxes. Like this is something that can complete a journal, you know? And she gets a lot of this stuff just custom made for her boxes to go along with the whole theme. That is so cute. So for this, I believe you find where you want to place it. I'm trying to figure this out. I believe you can just like, yeah, use it like as a little bookmark. Whoops, like that. Love that. Okay, then you usually get a variety of papers, 6x6 usually, or somewhere around that size. And these are really fun, like collaging papers with the honeycomb image. Usually always get a little sheet of stickers that go along with the theme. Again, great for making embellishments or maybe finishing off journal pages. And I feel like lately there's just more and more in these boxes. Definitely worth the price if you like themed journaling products, supplies. So here we go. It's a little sticky pad. Bee themed, of course. See, normally I would think there's no more, but there's like a big pack of papers. Okay, so it says on the back here, it contains 6 sticker papers, 6 vellum papers, 6 art papers, and 6 pattern papers. And these are 12 by 21 centimeters. I'm trying to figure out what that would be in inches. Probably like 6 by 10, something like that. Yep, so you get all of those different papers with all the different prints here. Really love the colors here. So I'm going to set the box aside. I'm going to grab my garbage, get that out of the way so that we can do a little quick layout using these items. You could totally use something like this to create a full journal, but you know, for time's sake, I always just create a little layout to try out the products. I'm going to take that charm out for now. And I'm just going to go like right in without kind of thinking it through. I'm going to take some of these papers. Is this a sticker one? I think so. As a background. And I'm going to just go ahead and rip this. I like to do these layouts pretty quick. Just for a fun little exercise. Yeah, I think this one is a sticker paper, and if it is, I'll just go ahead and take the backing off. And then I can stick it right down on my page. That was oddly satisfying. Okay, what else? We have stamps and all of these fun little stickers. Trying to think what I want to use next. Ooh, I saw some daisies. Yeah, I'm gonna grab that out. Let's see, I think I'm going to stamp one of these on, I guess, you know what, I'm just going to use the packaging here. Or I'm going to do it on the back. And I'm going to grab some black ink. And just ink this up. Best I can. I never have an idea of what I'm doing for these layouts, so again, I'm just kind of going with the flow here. And I'm just going to stamp this right down. Sometimes I'll just use the back of this to press it down. You can put this on an acrylic block. I never have good luck with that because you have to peel off the backing here and it just gets really sticky. Yeah, these stamp out really beautiful. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do, I think I'm going to kind of cut around this, not perfectly, but just like around the edges. Cute little bee. That out of the way. I cut through this entire bag, so it's 2 layers, but that's okay. All right, so we have our cute little stamped image. I'm gonna have that be like the little focal point, but you can see how well that stamps. And yeah, I'm just going to glue this down. Oops. My glue is running out. I might just put glue on the outer edges in case I want to put something in this as a little tuck spot. Glue that down like that. I think I want to try out this washi tape, so I'm just going to take a little piece, put it on there, take another little piece with this little bee, put that down there, and then this is just going to go kind of in the center. And then before I put that down though, I'm wondering if I want to use, okay, I did want to see what these were all about. But since I made a little pocket, I think I'm just going to grab one of these cute little papers. I could make it into like a little tag if I wanted, but I'm just gonna make it kind of quick and do that. Okay. I will glue this down. Actually, sorry, let's figure this out first. There's a cute little butterfly. I'm gonna cut around that and then I kind of want to also cut around this flower because it has some of that gold accent. And then I have to figure out if it's a rub-on or a sticker. Let's see, hopefully I can get the backing off. Almost got it. There we go. Yeah, I think it's the stickers that you just have to cut apart. So I'm not the biggest fan of needing to cut things apart like that, but these stickers are really cute. So I'm going to put that up in the corner like that. Yeah, so cute. And then this one, let's see. Maybe right there. So get the backing off here. Okay, and then we'll just go ahead and glue this down. Super cute theme. Would be super cute to do a whole journal in this theme. Let's see. I'm just going to place it down. It's kind of going over the flowers, but that's okay. There, I think that's it for today's layout. Give you a closer look. But hopefully you can see these stickers. They are really pretty. Yeah, they sparkle really nice. And those stamps are good quality. So I love this month's box. And a lot of times this specific box is still available. So again, if you want to check out Your Creative Studio, I don't have any coupon codes for you guys, but you can probably get this exact box, or there's other ones that you can choose from. So go ahead and check them out if you're interested. Let me know what you think about this box and this little kit and my layout, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.